ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. I'm Jasmine. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation.
Sure, ma'am. May I know who's in the line, please?
I'm Jasmine Tabangin.
Should I make this table reservation under your name, ma'am?
Yes, please.
When do you want to make a reservation, ma'am?
For tonight,
For how many people, ma'am?
just me,
At what time, ma'am?
8 p.m.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area, ma'am?
Non-smoking area.
May I have your contact number, ma'am?
My contact number is 011-2233-4455.
Thank you, ma'am Tabagin. May I repeat your table booking, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, you are having table reservation at 8 p.m. for one person in the non-smoking area under your name, Ma'am Jasmine Tabangin. Is that right, ma'am?
Okay, that's right.
Your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Hiraya Restaurant. We look forward to welcoming your ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Hiraya Restaurant. May I please ask you if you have reservation under your name, ma'am?
Yes, I have a reservation in the name of Miss Jasmine Tabangin.
Okay, ma'am. I'll check my list. Okay, ma'am. Your table is ready. Please follow me. May I assist you with your table napkin, ma'am?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present our menu? I'll back to check your order, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to have a glass of water?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Jasmine, your food server for today. I would like to pleasure for me to serve you.
It's nice to meet you. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have any food allergy?
None.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order, please?
Yes, sure. Can I have order for appetizer? Salmon carpaccio, and for salad is grilled Caesar salad, and for dessert is chocolate chip cookies.
Would you like to try our bestseller, the chicken and mushroom soup?
Okay.
Let me clarify your order, ma'am. For your appetizer, salmon carpaccio, and for your soup, chicken and mushroom soup, and for your salad, grilled Caesar salad, and for your dessert, chocolate chip cookies. Did I get right, ma'am?
Yes.
By the way, ma'am, your food will be served for about 15 to 20 minutes. Are you willing to wait, ma'am?
Okay.
Excuse me, I'll be back for a moment to serve your food, ma'am.
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to have your bread now?
Yes, please.
Do you have anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'll be back to get your order, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your salmon carpaccio for your appetizer.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your appetizer?
Yes.
Can I take your plate, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your soup, the chicken mushroom soup.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your soup?
Yes.
May I take your plate, ma'am?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your grilled Caesar salad. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your salad?
Yes.
May I take your plate, ma'am?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your bread?
Yes.
May I take your plate, ma'am?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Allowing me to clean your table.
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your dessert.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your dessert?
Yes.
May I take your plate, ma'am?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Waiter,
Yes, ma'am.
can I take my bill?
Sure, ma'am. I'll be back for a moment. Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I received 1,000 pesos. I'll be back for a moment to change your value.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your change. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day. Hope to see you again.
Thank you.